Today class is for 5th class students. The topic is tests of divisibility. Tests of divisibility. Student, test of divisibility is also called as nothing but divisibility rules. It is nothing but divisibility rules. What is meant by divisibility rules? Okay. Tests of divisibility or divisibility rules are used to whether a number is divisible by the given number. Whether a number is divisible by the given number without doing an actual division. Without doing an actual division. Okay, students. For example, 326. 326. So what is the number? Here the digits are 1, 2, 3. This is a 3-digit number. Students, without doing an actual division, you had to say this number is completely divisible by 2 or 3 or 5 or 10 like this manner. Okay, students, first of all, learn about further. Let us know the divisibility rule of Okay. First, learn about divisibility rule for 2. Okay. Which of the numbers having a ones place? For example, okay, students, this is the condition for divisibility by 2. Numbers having ones place. Numbers having ones place. In every number having some place values are there. Okay, you have to observe ones place. Okay, in that ones place occupies with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. These digits are at ones place of any number. The number will be completely divisible by 2 and leaves remainder 0. Okay, students. Okay, another condition for the divisible by 2. All the even numbers are divisible by 2. Okay, students, all the even numbers is okay. What is meant by even number? Anybody, any guesses? Okay, all the even numbers are divisible by 2. First of all, let us learn about even numbers. Okay, even numbers are nothing but the multiples of second table. Okay, all the even numbers are the multiples of second table. For example, even number having when a number is completely divisible by 2 and leaves remainder 0. Okay, when a number is completely divisible by 2 and leaves remainder 0, that is the condition for even number. Okay, example, here the number is, now I take 242. Let us divide with okay, I take the divisor 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2. Okay, 2 minus 2 0. After I have done the 4. 2 twos are 4. Okay, 4 minus 4 0. Last one 2. Again 2 ones are 2. Okay, students. Here the quotient was 121 and the remainder was also 0. Remainder is 0. So that's why 242 is a even number. Okay, what is not even number? It is not a even number. How can you say it's not a even number? 245. Let us divide with 2. Okay. 2 ones are 2. Okay. Next one, 2 minus 2 0. Next one, 4. 2 twos are 4. Okay. 4 minus 4 0. Okay. Next 5. Okay. In 2 table 5 is there? No. That's why we have to take the least before number. 2 twos are 4. 5 minus 4, 1. Okay, students, here the remainder was 1. Remainder is 1. Okay, when you divide the 245 with 2, the leaves remainder 1. Okay, this is not an even number. This is not even number. This is called odd number. This is called odd number. Okay. Now let us discuss about the differences between even numbers and odd numbers. Even numbers and odd numbers. Okay. When you take a number, okay, when you take a number and it's divided with 2 and it gives remainder 0. Okay. When you take a number, it's divided with 2 and leaves remainder 0. The number, the dividend will be called as a even number. Okay, students. And coming to odd number. Here also, when you take a number and it's divided with 2 and it leaves remainder 1. Okay, students, and it leaves remainder 1 and the dividend will be called as a odd number. Okay, students, that is the difference between even number and odd number. Okay, and test of divisibility by 2 is number having ones place occupies with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, these digits, these 5 digits. These 5 digits are at ones place of any number. The number will be called as a even number and it's completely divisible by 2. And the example numbers are 26, 132, 4008, 6237. Students, highlight this number. Why should I highlight this number? Because and the numbers having ones place, observe the ones place ones. Here the ones place of the examples are 6, 2, 8. These three digits are in the these 5 digits. These 3 digits are in the series of 5 digits. Here 6 is there, 2 is also is there, and 8 is also is there. But coming to 7, here ones place occupies with 7. So that's why 6237 is not divisible by 2 without doing an actual division. Without doing an actual division, we can say 6237 is not completely divisible by 2. Okay, that is the use of test of divisibility for this. Okay, students. Let us start with the divisibility rule. Divisible by 2. Okay, I was already explained about the divisibility by 2, but let us elaborate the definition. Okay, divisible by 2 condition is when a number having ones place is occupies with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, these 5 digits are at ones place of any number. The number completely divisible by 2 and leaves remainder or leaves remainder 0. Okay, students. When a number having ones place occupies with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, these digits are at ones place of any number. The number completely divisible by 2 and leaves remainder 0. Okay, students. Pause this. The examples are 44, 22, 408, 586, 588, 1000, etc. And all the even numbers also example for this condition was this. Okay, start. Okay, the sum of the digits of the number. Okay, next divisible by 3. Okay, next condition is divisible by 3. The sum of the digits of the number is completely divisible by 3. Then the whole number is completely divisible by 3. Okay, for example, now we take the number 3, 4, 3. 343. 343. Okay, students, according to the condition of divisible by 3, the sum of the number of digits, what are the digits? 3 plus 4 plus 3. Okay, students, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. 10 is in the table of 3? No, so that's why 343 is not completely divisible by 3. Okay, students, then what is the number is completely divisible by 3? Okay, let us check. 346. Now I take the number 346. Okay, let us add the numbers 3 plus 4 plus 6. Sorry, 345. Okay, 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 12 is present on third table, so that's why 345 is also in the third table. Let us verify the problem with actual division. Okay, students, 34. Consider 34. 3 11s are
Boss,
23.
wait, not enough space.